Okay. You guys have already completed this exercise before, so we are going to check the answers on the. We are going to check the answers based on the exercise number 7.
Yeah.
Perhaps, okay, number 4. Perhaps he will be on time. So this sentence is not 100% sure, and they use the structure. Perhaps he will be on time. So he and the time here first. Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer?
He may be on time.
He may be on time. So what about that? So what is your answer for this one?
I think it's he will be being on time.
He will be being on time. Be and being, he and being. He will be being on time, or he may be on time, or he may be being on time. First, we don't use like be and being together. This is the first one. The second one here is perhaps he will be on time. Here's the structure. When you are not sure, perhaps he will be on time, or you can say that he may be on time. So from perhaps, you can change it to be like he may or he might be on time. So here, whenever you think of being, no, don't think of being, only action verb. Okay, verb in, no being for us. Do you understand me, Dad?
Yeah, okay.
So here, perhaps, okay, perhaps here he will be on time, or he may be, or he might be on time. Number 5, perhaps he was too ill to take part in the race. The race is the first word. Do you guys remember any other words which have the same meaning as race? The race, what? The first one.
I think
Wait.
The race.
He may.
Yeah.
The way.
What? The race, or you can use the contest, or you can use the word like the competition, or you can use the word like the match. The match, race, the same as contest, the same as the word match. So I'm going to have a race, I'm going to have a contest, or you can, if you want to mention, okay, how well you fight with somebody, you can say that I compete with somebody. You compete with somebody, or you can say that you fight with somebody in this situation. And the next one here, perhaps he was too ill to take part in the race. Whenever you see the two, think of the not sentence. It means that he was not strong.
Not strong.
Right. We don't never use strong of. Please never use strong of. We only have like adjective with enough of, and to adjective like this one. You can say that I am good enough, okay, to become a singer, for example. Or if you say that I am too good to become a singer,
I am not good enough to become a singer.
So what then? Jane, do you have any ideas?
So yeah, I am too good to become a singer. It's the same with I am not enough to become a singer.
No, it's not the same. It is more than that. If you say that I am too good to become a singer, it means that you mean it. Okay, you mean it, the situation. It means that you make fun of the situation. The truth here is you are unqualified to become a singer. So if you use the structure I am too good, or I am too something to do something else, it means you mimic your situation. You make fun of yourself. You know that for the truth that you are not qualified to become a singer. This is what it is all about. He was too ill to take part in the race. He gets this was in the past. This was in the past, and they give us the bin here, the bin here. So how can you make this sentence, Ty? Do you have any ideas for number 5?
Yeah. Um, I think he's he's been no, he's been to you. No, not yet. Uh, has been. I think that.
So first, here we have the word to will. This is the main sentence of number 5, and they give us the been, the was. It means that in the past. Okay, this is in the past. This is in the past, and here was too ill to take part in the race. So here it should be he what he may have been ill. He may have been too ill to take part in the race. We have a structure like this. We have some kind of structure like this. Okay, so this is the real past, and this is the past. Okay, this is the expected. Okay, the expected past, or you can use the word like the guest past. So, for example, the real past, I consider I didn't learn English. I didn't learn English yesterday. And here, if today I look back at the past, and I can say that, oh my gosh, I should have learned English yesterday. I should have learned English yesterday because right now I don't know some vocabularies, okay, about science, for example, about science. So if you feel like you should do something but you didn't do it in the past, you will use should have and verb 3AD. Or this is real past. I was ill, okay. I was ill last Monday. Or they can say that, oh, I I mustn't have, okay. I mustn't, or you mustn't have been ill last Monday, because last Monday was an important interview, okay, interview day for me to get to job. So if you feel like you mustn't do something in the past, but actually you already did it, and right now in the present, you look back, you remember, okay, you recall. We should use the word recall. You recall your past, okay, your past actions. When I recall my past, okay, when I recall my past activities, I felt like I shouldn't, okay, I shouldn't, I shouldn't have done it, or I mustn't have done it. So this is the way. Should have a 380 or must have a 380. Or if you are not sure, but you still guess about the past, okay, about the past actions, you are going to use like may have been, okay, may have verb 3ed first. Sorry, or you can say that may have been verb in, may have been verb in, if you want to emphasize the meaning of it, emphasize the meaning, okay, of the situation in the past. Or might have verb 3ed, or we can use like might have been verb in,
Sorry.
been verb in. Like you can say something like this. 2 minutes ago, I
Uh,
was feeling sick, or you can say that I might have felt sick. I might have felt sick.
so
Yeah, not sure, but still guess.
what is different between a may or might?
The grammar here, may, still in the present.
Yeah.
Might, this is the past already. This is the past already. So if you want to guess, okay, guess something about about the present, you will use may have. And if you want to guess something about the past,
But
you use might have. And this is it. Do you understand me, Tai and Jun?
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes,
but
okay.
both of this the coupled with the have or verb 3 and a verb ed.
Sorry, can you repeat what you just asked?
I just asked about both of my or my go with have verb 3 or verb ed.
Oh, I understand right now. Here, wow, you have like something like this. If you talk about the future, 100% sure, you use may, verb, infinitive. It means the infinitive verb, no in, no s, no ed. That is called infinitive verb, động từ nguyên mẫu. And
Yeah.
if sure about the future, that is 50-50 sure in the future, you are going to use might plus infinitive verb, động từ nguyên mẫu. And
Okay.
whenever you see may with have, whenever you see have, you can only use verb 3 ed. This is the structure.
Okay.
See may have, you are going to think of may have verb 3 ed. And if
Okay.
may have been, so whenever you see the word been, you should think
The
of
verb ed.
in. So here may have been verb in. So when we write something like may have or might have, whenever you see have, you must think of verb 3 ed. Why? Why so? Because we have the tense like present perfect tense. The present perfect tense, it is about something in the past, okay, to the present and to the future. And this is how. And here, this is the structure, this is the grammar of present perfect tense. Have, verb
Ever
3
have.
or
Yeah.
has, verb 3 ed. And if you want to stress, okay, if you want to stress the continue, okay, the continuous, okay, the continuous of an action or activities from the past to the near future, you are going to use have been
Have been.
or
Been. Yeah.
verb in. This is the case. So Rana, do you did you get everything I just show you, Miss Yuan?
Yeah. I understand it. And all.
Yeah, you understand. Okay, understand. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand it.
Yes. Okay. I got that. And here, Dai, please. So please look at your sentence again. And what should you do? What should you do for number 5? Perhaps he was too ill to take part in the race. You see that perhaps he was, and this is the way that you should use when you are not sure about the past. So may have been verb. So
Oh yeah. I think that he may
no,
have been what?
you say that he is may. We don't have he is
No,
may.
no, no, not. I just say he. He may have been feeling ill to take part in the race.
Oh, you say, Mr. Tai just says that he may have been very ill to take part in the race.
No.
What?
No.
He just sent.
I say he may have been feeling ill to
Feeling.
take part in.
Really? No, it's not really.
If you say, I, I hear that you say that he may have been feeling ill. If you say that feeling ill, this is so wrong.
Sorry, yeah. Just my mistake. Sorry. Feeling.
Feel, felt, felt.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Felt. Oh, sorry. This one. Oh, yeah. We have the word like fall, fell, fallen. If you forget this word, you should remember. You should memorize a situation like this. You should say that. Oh, yesterday I fell off my chair. Okay, like yesterday I fell off my chair and I hurt my head. For example, you fell off something. But for feel, you say you should give yourself a situation. for you to memorize. You should say that. Oh, yesterday I felt really excited, okay, to meet my new friend.
Yay.
For example, out, fallen. So just like this. So how can you fix your sentence right here, guys? Fix it.
He may have been feeling ill to take part. Oh,
Yeah, he may have
yeah.
been feeling ill to take part in the race. Okay, very good. Or you can still keep the two. You should say that, oh, he may have been too ill to take part in the race, or he may have been feeling too ill to take part in the race. Okay, did you got that right?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Between, do you have any other ideas, more creative ideas to upgrade the sentence?
I see in my homework, he might have been too ill to take the bus in the race.
Okay, very good. He might have been too ill to take part in the race. Oh, it's still good because in English we can use may and might. We can use both may and might for the past. But sometimes in English we use may for the future, but we use might for the past. So it depends on the situation. If you still get something about the past, you can use both may, might, have, but 3D for guessing about something in the past. But if you want to talk about the future only, please use may. But if you want to
May.
talk about something in the past only, please use might. But if you want to guess activities
Something.
happening in the past, if you guess or if you want to emphasize, please use may and might
May.
for 3ED. So this is the difference. Do you understand me, Tai and Yuen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That part is very easy, so we need to move forward. I'm sure they informed the police about the robbery. So let's talk about the structures of the vocabulary form. Here, okay, you have the word like inform. This is the verb English. So what is the
Yeah.
noun? What is the noun of inform?
Information.
Information, okay, information. And what else? What else do we have? Okay, information.
Active.
Oh no, yeah,
Oh, it's about
the adjective of verb. So what is it? Yeah.
Attitude. Informant.
No, we don't have the informant for the adjective. We have the word like informative.
Informative. Okay.
I am highly informative because I give you lots of pieces of information, for example. So something is informative, something gives you lots of knowledge and information, but something is not informative, you will find that kind of thing very undetailed, very unspecific, very general. So something informative, please think of the word detailed, please think of the word specific. Yes. So we have the synonym detailed, specific, and we have the antonym, which is general. Like
Yeah.
talk about myself. If I generally talk about myself, I just provide you just a little bit information about myself, not specific. Like, oh, I have a lover, but I'm not going to tell you who my lover is. Okay, so that is general information. So you got it?
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
And we have
Okay.
yeah.
another structure for like I find something okay informative. I find something informative just like this. So here is the structure find what informative, or you can say that you find okay what okay, and then the adjective here. This is how English gonna be. I find English very difficult, or you can say that I have difficulties, okay, difficulties in verb A. So we'll have the structure have difficulties, have challenges, okay, in verb A. The same here, find something difficult, find something informative, for example. So here are okay. Here are some structures about the word inform. And do you guys remember the way for you to make use of the word inform? If you want to say that you inform what to what, okay. So how can you put the word inform in the word?
I to inform something to somebody.
Oh no, that is wrong. We don't use inform to something to somebody. No. So what about that? Do you remember the structure
Huh?
of inform in spoken or written English?
Inform about something or inform of something or somebody.
Inform about something, that is wrong. Inform
Inform
something somebody, that is wrong too. Just one more step and you are going to make the right time. You should say that okay, inform somebody of
About something.
something. We don't use inform somebody about. We use inform somebody of something. I informed you of a lot of grammar in English, for example. So here, inform somebody of something that this is the structure, okay? That please remember.
Okay.
And here we have the phrase like, I'm sure they informed the police about the robbery. They about the robbery. Okay, so this is 100%
Robbery.
sure. 100% sure. So how can you change this sentence, Miss Yue?
Whatever. They must have informed the police about the robbery.
Very good. So when you are sure about something already happened in the past, we are going to use must have.
Must.
Yeah, must have created. Very good. And here we have the word robbery. What is the action verb of robbery? Right? Do you remember?
what?
Robbery.
Fail.
This is the noun
Uh,
English, and
yeah.
this is the robbery is the name of the crime. Is the name of the crime. Okay, is the name of the crime in English. In English, that is called robbery. So what is the action? What is the action verb of it?
Crop
Rob,
is
Robbery.
rob, or you are going to say that stole,
Thief.
or
the
Robbery. How
no,
about robbery?
shoplift. Okay, you shoplift something. If you shoplift something, it means you go to the supermarket, you take some candies and you put the candies inside your jacket. That is called shoplifting. So you can say that I shoplift okay some candies from the supermarkets because at that time we don't have much money. That is called shoplift. And here we have the word like robber. Robber. This is the name. Okay. This is the name. Okay. This is the name for this is the name. This is the name for people. Okay. For people who robs you. Who robs you. Robs you.
Okay.
Robbery, okay, who robs you is called robber, but usually they rob something very small like a laptop or some machines or some equipment. But if they go to your house, they get inside your house, and then rob you. No, they get inside your house. If somebody gets inside your house, you will call that kind of
Thief.
a burglar.
Okay.
Okay, for people getting inside your house and steal things, and this crime is called burglary. Burglary
Burglary.
is the name of the crime. Okay, Tai, do you understand me?
Yeah.
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 Understand.
We have one more word for crime. Crime is the noun. So what is the noun for people? For people who commit. We use the word commit a crime. Commit a crime. It means in Vietnamese very cold. Phạm tội. So for people committing a crime, who do we call them? How do we call them?
Criminal. Criminal.
No, that is
Crime
no that. What is the word? Miss Win say criminy. So what about you, Thai?
Criminal.
the
Sorry. What is the word?
Criminal.
Oh, so what about that? Miss Ying says criminal. So what about you, Thai?
I think death.
Right.
THIEF.
Oh, sorry, Thai just said that fact.
Death.
Thief.
THI.
Thief.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is thief. The thief.
Thief.
Thief. Thief. Thief. Is it okay, Ta?
Thief.
This is the thief.
Okay.
This is the name for people. Name for people. Okay. To take small things from you, like your money or your phone inside your pocket. So that is called a theft. And theft is the name of the crime. Okay. Vụ trộm, okay. This is the name of the crime. So theft is the name of the crime. Theft is the name for people, and theft is the name of the crime. And we use the word steal something from somebody for a thief. Do you understand me, Guy?
Oh yeah, I got it. I have.
This one is called criminal. Criminal, not criminal.
Criminal.
The name of people. Name of people
Criminal.
committing a crime. So you got that, Guy?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. So here we have already have like, oh my gosh, 7 brand maps already. So that you need to be off first, because you already study a lot with me today. I'm going to send you the 7 brand maps. And Miss Green, please look at brand map number 5. It's not yeah, in the brand map, sorry, in the brand map number 6, brand map number 5, and number 7. I need you to create a situation for me right now. And I'm
Okay.
going to send Miss Yuen another link. And Tai, I think that it's time for you to be off, right, Tai?
What?
It's time for you to be off, or you still want to continue to study?
Oh yeah.
It means
Okay, thank you.
that you want to continue to study, or you want to be off at this time to 40 to 40, because you have already studied 1 hour.
I think I will be continue until 3 p.m.
And you will continue until 3 p.m.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm going to send you the prime map on number 6 and number 7, and you need to create a situation for me. So at 3 p.m., I want Miss Yuen to compete with I, and when you guys speak, I'm going to ask lots of questions. Is it okay, Miss Yuen and I?
Can you
What?
repeat to me again?
I want Miss Yuen and I to create a situation for me, okay, based on brand map number 6 and based on brand map number 7, and at 3 p.m.
Okay.
At 3 p.m., I want Miss Yuen to compete with Tai. It means Tai is going to speak, or Miss Yuen is going to speak, and I'm going to ask lots of questions to interrupt your presentations to get more ideas from you. Do you understand me, Miss Yuen?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you understand me, Miss Yuen? Hello.
I think so. I feel so. It means that I will make some question about some criminal.
No, it's not like my question, Miss Yuen. I say that you need to create a situation, a situation.
Oh, okay.
And here I say that you are going to compete in speaking. It means that you talk about your situation, and then I am going to ask you lots of questions, and I'm going to force
Oh,
ask you lots of
okay.
and
Look like I have a robbery, so I inform about something to police.
yeah. Here are the words. Here are the words for map number 6. Here are the words for map number 7. I cannot give you the answer. I just want you to make use of all the vocabularies in your situations. Is it okay, Miss Yuen?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, sorry.
what time? Yes, please.
Sorry. I have.
Yes, I'm listening, Tai. Please speak. Hello. Hello. I cannot hear you, Tai. I cannot hear you. What is happening to your laptop?
Okay. Hello.
Yes, right now I can hear you. Yes, please speak.
Okay. I have a meeting at. I will have a meeting at 3 p.m. So I need the time to prepare for myself. So I will be in this moment.
Yes, of course. 50 minutes begin right now. See you guys.
Oh, no. Hello.
What please be more specific in your speaking.
Con có một cái con phải vô trường lúc 3 giờ chiều nên là chắc hồi nãy con quên nên là chắc giờ con phải đi chuẩn bị.
Oh,
Nên là
I
con không.
right now. Oh, okay, it's okay. No worries. But you need to create a situation for me by Zoom. Okay, at the end of today, is it okay?
Okay, I will send to you later.
Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day, Tài.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Yeah, bye bye.